Descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that aims to provide a detailed and complete description of an object, place, event, or person to the reader or listener. It involves the use of rich description language to describe the feature, the characteristic and qualities of the subject being discussed. The function of descriptive text is to provide a clear and detailed description of an object, place, event, or person to the reader or listener. It helps the reader or listener better understand the subject being discussed, helps in forming a complete mental picture, and allow them to feel or understand the experience being described. Descriptive text can also be used to inspire or educate readers. The structure of descriptive text generally consists of three main parts. The first is introduction. Usually introduce the subject to be described and perhaps provide a brief background about it. Number 2, body text. This section contains a detailed description of the subject being discussed. It can be divided into several paragraphs, each focusing on a particular aspect of the subject. The third is conclusion. Usually ends the text by concluding or summarizing the important points that have been explained in the body of the text. The conclusion can also provide a final impression or reflection about the subject being described. Some characteristics of descriptive text include: Number 1, use of descriptive language. Descriptive text use language rich is detail and imagery to describe the subject thoroughly. Number 2, rich detail. This text focus on providing very detailed information about the subject under discussion, including its features, characteristics, and qualities. Number 3, use the sentences. To create vivid image, descriptive text often use description that involve the scenes, such as visual depiction, hearing, smelling, and so on. Number 4, logical organization. Descriptive texts are generally organized in a logical way, with sequential development of topics or based on certain aspect of the subject being described. Number 5, clear communicative purpose. The text has a clear purpose to describe or explain a particular subject to the reader or listener. Number 6, relying on observation or imagination. Descriptive text can be based on direct observation on the subject being discussed, or it can also be based on the author's imagination if the subject cannot be exchanged directly. Number 7, using adjectives and adverbs. To enhance description, descriptive texts often use adjectives to describe characteristics and adverbs to provide additional details. The features work together to create a vivid picture of the subject being described. The following is an example of descriptive text about Kuta Beach in Bali. Kuta Beach is one of the most famous tourist destinations on the island of Bali, Indonesia. With soft white and attractive waves, this beach attracts thousands of visitors every year. As soon as you enter the beach, you will be greeted by a stunning panorama, the blue sky, sunny, clear sea water, and coconut trees dancing on the beach. The waves move gracefully along the coastline, invite surfers from all over the world to conquer the waves. However, it's not just surfers who enjoy Kuta Beach. Other fishers can also enjoy its natural beauty by sunning on the beach or playing beach volleyball with their friends. Along Along the beach, there are flexible kiosks and stalls offering local food and drinks, as well as various souvenirs to take home as souvenirs. As dusk falls, Kuta Beach becomes the perfect backdrop to enjoy a spectacular sunset, with color flashing across the sky and sunlight reflecting on the surface of the water. Kuta Beach is not only an amazing tourist destination, but also a place full of history and culture. Apart from enjoying its natural beauty, visitors can also explore the surrounding area, which is full of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Kuta Beach is the perfect place to spend relaxing time with family and friends while enjoying the stunning natural beauty of Bali.